Good afternoon, Mika. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I want to go to the home improvement store.
Good idea. What do you need?
I need some shelves, screws, and a new light bulb.
Then today is perfect for shopping English.
Shopping at a home improvement store sounds useful.
In English, we often say hardware store or home improvement store.
Hardware store, home improvement store.
Today, we will practice simple English for asking staff, finding items, and paying.
Great. Let's go shopping and learn English.
Before we go, let's make a shopping list.
Good idea. I always forget something.
What do you need first?
I need a small shelf for the kitchen.
A small shelf. Okay.
I also need screws.
What size screws do you need?
I'm not sure.
Then we can ask a store clerk.
How do I say that in English?
You can say, I'm looking for screws.
I'm looking for screws.
And if you don't know the size, say this. I'm not sure what size I need.
I'm not sure what size I need.
Perfect. Let's add a light bulb too.
Yes, and maybe a tape measure.
Good. Shelf, screws, light bulb, and tape measure.
We are here. This store is huge.
Yes, home improvement stores are usually big.
Where should we start?
Let's get a cart first.
Good idea. Some items may be heavy.
You can say, do we need a cart?
Do we need a cart?
Yes, we do.
This cart is bigger than I expected.
That's useful too. Bigger than I expected.
Bigger than I expected.
Let's look for the shelf section.
I don't know where it is.
Then, let's ask someone. Hello, may I help you?
Yes, please. We are looking for shelves.
Shelves are in aisle 5. Thank you.
Aisle means a row in a store, right?
Exactly. Aisle 5 means the 5th row.
Aisle 5 is this way.
Yes, let's go.
There are so many shelves.
We should choose the right size.
I need a shelf for a small kitchen space.
Then we need to measure it.
I forgot to measure it at home.
That happens.
How do I ask for a measuring tape?
Say, do you have a tape measure?
Do you have a tape measure?
Good. Let's ask the clerk.
Excuse me, do you have a tape measure?
Yes, it's in the tool section.
Where is the tool section?
It's near aisle 8.
Thank you.
Nice. You asked very naturally. Here is the tools section.
There are many tools here.
Screwdrivers, hammers, drills, and tape measures.
I need a screwdriver too.
Do you need a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver?
I think I need a Phillips screwdriver.
Phillips screwdriver means a cross-shaped screwdriver.
Phillips screwdriver.
Now, screws.
There are too many sizes.
Let's ask the clerk again.
Excuse me. I'm looking for screws.
What are you using them for?
I want to build a small shelf.
What kind of wood are you using?
I'm not sure yet.
We need screws for a wooden shelf. These should work.
Thank you.
These should work means these are probably good.
Now let's choose the shelf board.
What color do you want?
I want a natural wood color.
This one looks nice.
It looks a little too long.
You can say, "Is this too long?"
Is this too long?
Also, "Can you cut this board?"
Can you cut this board?
Many home improvement stores have a cutting service.
Let's ask. Excuse me, can you cut this board?
Yes. What length do you need?
I need it cut to 80 centimeters.
Okay. Please bring it to the cutting counter. Great. That was very useful.
I feel like I can really use this.
Yes. DIY English is practical.
Look at all these paints.
Do you want to paint the shelf?
Maybe. White might look clean.
White is good for a kitchen.
How do I ask if this paint is safe indoors?
You can say, "Is this paint safe for indoor use?"
Is this paint safe for indoor use?
Yes, it is safe for indoor use.
Do I need a brush?
Yes, you need a small brush and masking tape. Masking tape is useful.
I also need gloves.
Good idea.
DIY shopping is more fun than I expected.
And we are learning English too.
That makes it even better.
Next, the light bulb.
I always get confused with light bulbs.
Me too. There are many types.
Warm white, daylight, LED, watts.
Let's ask the clerk.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a light bulb.
What kind of light bulb do you need?
I need one for my kitchen.
We want a warm white LED bulb. What wattage do you need?
I'm not sure.
Can we check the old bulb? Yes. If you bring the old bulb, we can match it.
That is good to know.
For today, let's buy the same shape and size.
Okay, this one looks right.
Yes, that should work.
Thank you for your help. Look, they also have plants.
Do you want a small plant for the kitchen?
Yes, it would make the room nicer.
This plant looks easy to take care of.
How do I ask that?
Is this plant easy to take care of?
Excuse me, is this plant easy to take care of?
Yes. It only needs water once a week.
That sounds perfect.
Do we need potting soil? Yes, but the bag is heavy.
Can you help us carry it?
Of course. Can you help us carry it is very useful. Can you help us carry it? especially for heavy items.
We found most of the items.
Yes, but I don't see the shelf brackets.
Shelf brackets?
They support the shelf.
How do we ask if they have them?
Do you have this in stock?
Do you have this in stock?
Let's ask,
Excuse me. Do you have shelf brackets in stock?
let me check. Yes, we have some in the back.
Great. Thank you.
We should also check the price.
How much is this?
It is 1,200 yen.
That's reasonable.
Reasonable means the price is okay.
This price is reasonable.
I think we have everything.
Shelf, screws, screwdriver, paint, light bulb, plant, and soil.
Let's go to the checkout. Hello. Did you find everything you need?
Yes. Thank you.
Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. We have our own bags.
Can we pay by card? Yes, you can.
I also have a question.
Sure.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Yes, with the receipt. Keep the receipt.
Yes, that is important.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
We did a lot of shopping today.
And we learned a lot of English.
Home improvement shopping was a success. Let's review today's useful phrases.
I'm looking for screws.
I'm not sure what size I need.
Do you have a tape measure?
Where is the tools section?
I want to build a small shelf.
These should work.
Can you cut this board?
I need it cut to 80 centimeters.
Is this paint safe for indoor use?
I'm looking for a light bulb.
Is this plant easy to take care of?
Can you help us carry it?
Do you have this in stock?
How much is this?
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Can we pay by card?
Keep the receipt.
Today, we learned simple English for shopping at a home improvement store.
We practiced asking for items, choosing tools, checking sizes, and paying.
These phrases are useful for shopping and DIY.
Please try them when you go shopping.
Thank you for studying with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care.
And enjoy your DIY.